Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all the top foods that can help you boost your immunity in the rainy season or monsoon season, which in turn will help you stay healthy, fit and away from all the types of sickness that are caused in the monsoon season. These foods are very easily available at our places and in the Indian kitchens, so you do not have to worry about buying anything online. So you can have them every single day and add them into your diets. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, the first thing that I want to tell you all is the three types of vitamins that are very essential in the monsoon or rainy season to boost your immunity. The first one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the biggest immune system boosters of all. Vitamin C is very essential to keep you away from all the types of sickness and it should definitely be included in your diet every single day. So the vitamin C rich foods are, the first is orange, second kiwi and the third is no doubt lemon. So if you start to incorporate these three fruits every single day in your diets, I can guarantee you that there will be no sickness at all, because the amount of vitamin C in them is very high, which keeps the foreign objects away from entering our immune system and hampering it. So try consuming one out of orange or kiwi fruit every single day, and lemon you definitely need to have every single morning as your early morning drink in hot lemon water. These three fruits can definitely guarantee your fulfillment of vitamin C intake every single day. Now the next vitamin essential for boosting your immunity is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is vital to supporting the biochemical reactions in your immune system. Now there are various vitamin B6 rich foods in India available very easily. The vitamin B6 rich foods are, the first is chickpeas, or also known as white chana. These supply significant amounts of vitamin B6 per serving. They are also high in fiber and protein and are very easily available in the Indian kitchens. So try consuming chickpeas. The last vitamin essential for boosting your immune system is vitamin E. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps the body to fight off infection. Now, as you all know, in rainy season, a lot of infection is affected to our body system. Hence, vitamin E helps to fight that infection in every form. The richest food with vitamin E is sunflower seeds. Now, sunflower seeds are full of nutrients including vitamin B6 and they are incredibly high in vitamin E, with approximately 82% of the daily recommended amount in just a quarter cup of serving. Isn't that amazing? Vitamin E is essentially important in regulating and maintaining immune system function. Hence, try to consume sunflower seeds each and every day as your mid-morning snack so that your daily intake of the vitamin E is completed. Now to buy the sunflower seeds, the link will be in the description box below. You can buy them online as well, or you can buy them in your local stores as well. Another vitamin E rich food is nuts. After 15 minutes of your early morning drink, try consuming at least 5 almonds soaked and 2 walnuts. Now this is very essential as it contains a lot of good amount of antioxidants, are a great source of fat. Now turmeric is the best spice that you people can use to boost your immunity system in the rainy season and prevent your muscles from soring or any kind of damage. This spice has been used for years as an anti-inflammatory and can definitely help decrease the exercise induced muscle damage. I basically recommend everybody to have hot turmeric milk before going to bed if the person is suffering from any kind of physical damage to the body or muscles or any kind of infection. Hot turmeric milk is the best solution of all. Now, if you love to drink tea, try to add ginger, that is adrak, in your tea as it contains nutrients that provide anti-inflammatory, detoxifying and immune boosting properties. Add ginger to your morning tea for best taste as well as to boost your immunity to very high levels. So these are the foods that can help you boost your immunity system in the rainy season, and if you're suffering from any kind of diseases or colds or fevers or infections, try incorporating these foods every single day in your diet so that you stay healthy and fit always. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of my diet plans or any queries. I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I post and upload daily there about what I eat in a day and how my diet goes each and every single day. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and press the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post or upload a video on YouTube. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always. I'll see you in my next one.